Have you ever felt like weight loss is just too complicated? Endless diets, conflicting advice, and unrealistic expectations can make the journey frustrating. But here's the truth. Losing weight doesn't have to be a struggle. The secret lies in simple, sustainable habits that fit into your lifestyle without stress. Forget about extreme restrictions or boring meals. It's all about eating the right foods in the right way. And the best part, you can enjoy your favorite meals while making progress. In this video, you'll discover practical nutrition tips that are easy to follow and deliver real results. From weight loss foods that boost metabolism to meal planning strategies that simplify your life, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking to improve your gut health with superfoods for weight loss, or find protein-rich foods that keep you full longer, there's something here for everyone. So, if you're tired of complicated diets and want a straightforward approach, you're in the right place. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to achieve your goals without unnecessary complexity. And hey, if you find these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who needs it. Ready to take control of your health? Let's get started. Importance of simple nutrition. Many people believe that losing weight requires complex diets and extreme restrictions, but the truth is much simpler. Effective nutrition for weight loss revolves around smart and consistent choices. When it comes to weight loss foods, there's no need to overcomplicate things. Just focus on natural nutrient-dense options like chia seeds, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Small changes, such as swapping processed snacks for healthier alternatives, can completely transform results. Over time, simplicity is the key to maintaining consistency and avoiding decision fatigue about what to eat. Maintaining a healthy diet doesn't mean spending hours in the kitchen or following rigid rules. On the contrary, efficient meal planning should be easy to implement and sustainable in the long run. Imagine having ready-to-eat, nutritious meals in the fridge, like a salad packed with superfoods for weight loss, or a protein-rich shake filled with metabolism-boosting ingredients. This eliminates the stress of food choices and allows you to stay focused on your goals without resorting to fast food due to a lack of time or healthy options. Additionally, simple nutrition is directly linked to gut health, influencing not only weight but also energy levels and overall well-being. Incorporating habits like starting the day with a glass of high-quality water before even thinking about coffee or food can make a significant difference. Proper hydration is essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. And speaking of nutrients, what about exploring easy and nutritious breakfast options? Breakfast options for weight loss. Breakfast is the first opportunity of the day to fuel the body with quality nutrients and kickstart metabolism. Options like high-protein shakes, eggs, and overnight oats are strategic choices that provide lasting energy without sugar spikes. A protein shake combined with chia seeds and fruit is a practical and delicious way to ensure satiety and deliver essential vitamins and minerals early in the day. The goal here is not to complicate, but to create a routine that seamlessly fits into daily life, ensuring nutritious eating without effort. The key to an effective breakfast is consistency. Choosing one or two standard options, like scrambled eggs with avocado, an excellent source of healthy fats, or an overnight oats bowl with fruit, simplifies the routine and removes the stress of deciding what to eat every morning. This strategy helps maintain focus on weight loss foods and prevents impulsive decisions that can derail progress. After all, when you have a simple and nutritious solution readily available, staying on track becomes much easier. Starting the day with a well-balanced meal is also essential to prevent those mid-morning hunger pangs. A nutritious breakfast with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt or a smoothie with whey protein helps maintain stable energy levels and avoids unhealthy snacking. And speaking of snacks, have you considered how meal planning can completely transform your weight loss journey? Lunch and snack strategies. When it comes to lunch, simplicity is key without compromising nutrition. Salads packed with protein-rich foods, such as grilled chicken or tuna, combined with fresh vegetables and a touch of healthy fats, like olive oil or avocado, are practical and delicious choices. Another great option includes sandwiches made with whole grain bread, an excellent source of fiber and nutrients, or even leftovers from previous meals, ensuring both convenience and balance. The secret lies in crafting a lunch that provides sustained energy without that sluggish post-meal feeling. Snacking can be a real challenge for those seeking a healthy lifestyle. It's easy to fall into the trap of unhealthy options. But with a little planning, it's possible to have practical choices always within reach. Hard-boiled eggs, nuts, protein bars, and Greek yogurt are incredible allies to curb hunger between meals without compromising weight loss goals. Having snacks ready in your bag or at work prevents impulsive decisions and keeps nutrition in check, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent overeating at dinner. Avoiding snacking between meals is another key factor for sustainable weight loss. When the body gets used to set meal times, it learns to utilize nutrients better and control hunger spikes. A good strategy is to stay hydrated throughout the day, as thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Establishing a balanced meal routine allows for consistent energy levels and helps eliminate the urge for something sweet in the afternoon. And speaking of balance, dinner can be the perfect opportunity to reinforce these healthy habits. Now that you have all the tools to simplify your weight loss journey, it's time to put them into action. Which of these tips will you implement first? Remember, consistency is key. Small daily actions lead to long-term results. Whether it's meal planning, staying hydrated, or choosing protein-rich foods, every step counts. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start making better choices today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more practical nutrition and fitness tips. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who could benefit from these strategies. Let's take control of our health together and make weight loss a simple, achievable goal.